Hey, welcome back to the channel. Glad you're here. Let's get started. Is crypto really a safe haven like gold, silver, or real estate? Today, I have one senior's perspective. Now, I want to start off with a question. Can we really consider crypto the safe haven it was thought to be? And what happened in 2025 around the second quarter? Does that have any difference as far as how you look at it, whether it's a safe haven or not? Well, let's break this down in a way that it makes sense for us hobby investors. Well, hey guys, I'm your buddy Mark, Crypto for Seniors, and really excited to be here. Now, according to several recent CNBC reports, Bitcoin has shown remarkable strength in 2025, recently crossing the $100,000 mark. However, as we've seen, where both crypto and the stock market reacted to news that impacted us in all facets of our daily life, crypto, or should I say Bitcoin in particular, has dropped to the low $78,000 in April of this year. All major media sources were on board that crypto was in the bull market at that time. And we could see numbers up to $200,000 by the end of the year. Well, even with acceptance of government and Bitcoin becoming a household name, CNBC host stated, "We haven't seen nothing yet." Now, one of the reasons why I mentioned at least Bitcoin was that it was being referred to as a safe haven like gold. And to most of the investors, the idea of holding gold was about as safe haven as you could get. So, what do you think? Write in the comments down below what your feeling is about Bitcoin, whether it's a safe haven or not, like gold. I'm anxious to hear what you have to say and your thoughts on that matter. It's definitely can be aligned with gold in the terms of how we think about it as far as a hedge in your portfolio, but it only is a hedge against fiat currency. Bloomberg TV reports. Financial analysts at Statland Chartered reported to CNBC on May 8th, 2025, that they actually had to revise their predictions upward, suggesting that the initial $120,000 target for Bitcoin was too conservative. Let's hope so. This shows great institutional confidence in crypto's role in modern portfolios. But here's what my research into the matter as a senior investor is. Now, unlike any traditional safe havens like gold, crypto is still finding its footing, and it can sometimes feel like hanging on the side of a cliff, holding on for dear life. The crypto industry has matured significantly since its early days. The growth into ETFs have made crypto attainable by just about any investor, both small and large. And as we're seeing more regulated investment options, it may be a little bit easier to participate, just like the ETFs I mentioned, making Bitcoin or crypto safer. As someone who's been in your shoes, and here's my take on it. Remember, this is education only, not financial advice. This is really what's right for me, and I'm taking you along on my journey. I consider crypto to be part of a diversified portfolio and not my entire nest egg, which is really important to know. Although it is growing as my main area of investment, because for me, crypto is a long term strategy. For me, it's called diamond hands. And I've been holding on to most of my crypto from the beginning. Now, I have Bitcoin as low as $30,000, but I continue to buy Bitcoin on a quarterly basis using dollar cost averaging. I started small and learned as I watched more and more YouTube videos about crypto and mining. Finally, as I always maintain a healthy portion of traditional safe haven assets like gold, silver, gemstones, and ETFs, or buying the token outright and just putting it into cold storage. Now, remember, while crypto continues to show promise, the altcoins are getting some real traction. And this is an area that I think we need to focus a little bit more on. It's more than the so-called magic money Wall Street guru Warren Buffett claims it is. The key is to approach any investment with wisdom and patience and proper research, all qualities that we seniors have in abundance. Please never fall for FOMO or fear of missing out. I started to report on this just a few weeks ago when I noticed that many of the content creators were dumping their GPUs and their mini ASICs saying that mining was dead. FOMO, fear of missing out, only to have them recanted when Bitcoin hit $100,000. Fear gets views. Subscribers jump at the chance to gain an edge. Well, here at Crypto for Seniors, I'll never put out FOMO content unless I'm damn sure I can back it up with some hard research, and I'll show you why it's my opinion either way. Now, I always follow the research, not crazy Uncle Dave who can't wait to share some random crypto tip from the barber shop. Hell, that's how I got started in crypto, from my barber. Look, you deserve better than crazy Uncle Dave. Well, listen, guys, that's about it. If you like this information, I have a simple request. Please hit the like and subscribe and join the Crypto for Seniors in our new channel, Retirement for Seniors. Check that out. Now, I provided the links to the show notes down below in the description. As always, this information is for educational purposes only. Please always consult with your financial advisor before making any investment decisions, no matter what the size is. Well, thanks for stopping by here at Crypto for Seniors. Crypto, mining, ETFs, and a lot more. We discuss it all. On the screen is one video I believe you just may enjoy. All right, guys, I'm your buddy Mark, and I will catch you in the next video. Thanks for stopping by.